We know that maxi dresses have been a staple in many wardrobes, but we're here to give you the latest insights and trends for the upcoming year. So sit back and relax and let's dive into this fashion forward discussion. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things fashion and style. First topic is our maxi dress in style 2023. As for 2023, there are a few indications that maxi dresses will still be in style. Fashion runways have showcased various maxi dress designs in their collections, featuring bright colors, floral prints, and bold patterns. This suggests that designers are still interested in incorporating maxi dresses into their collections, and this trend is likely to continue in 2023. In addition, many fashion influencers and celebrities have been spotted wearing maxi dresses in recent months, which also suggests that the trend is still in style, from casual boho inspired dresses to more formal gowns. Maxi dresses can be seen on a variety of occasions. Overall, while it is impossible to predict with absolute certainty what fashion trends will be popular in 2023, there are many indications that maxi dresses will continue to be a fashionable and versatile choice for many women. Next topic is, can maxi dresses be business casual? Maxi dresses can be a great option for business casual attire, depending on the style and material of the dress. Business casual typically means dressing professionally without being too formal or rigid, and maxi dresses can fit that bill if worn appropriately. To make a maxi dress appropriate for a business casual setting, it's important to choose a dress made from a structured, high quality fabric such as cotton, silk, or linen, rather than a more casual fabric like jersey or cotton blends. Option for solid colors or subtle patterns rather than loud or bold prints. Pair the dress with closed toe shoes such as pumps or flats, and avoid sandals or flip-flops. Accessories such as a structured handbag or a belt can help to add some structure to the outfit. It's also important to ensure that the maxi dress is not too revealing, as showing too much skin is not appropriate for a business setting. Avoid dresses with plugging necklines or high slits, and make sure the dress is not too tight or form-fitting. Overall, with the right styling and attention to detail, maxi dresses can be a stylish and comfortable option for a business casual dress code. And if you like these maxi dresses and want to buy them, then the link is given in the description box below. You can check from there. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and inspiration. And let us know in the comments below which outfit is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.